YouTube, Joby from Oz. So this morning I have, guess what, an OE error on the dishwasher. So historically what I've done there is pull the dishwasher out and do a whole pile of stuff and mess around and hours and hours and hours. I'm going to show you another slightly quicker method to fix the problem, or at least a first attempt at fixing the problem. So down under here we have the outlet drain for the dishwasher, and we're going to fix it. What we need for this fix is a bucket and a puppy dog. And historically what we've seen is that there's a siphon that needs to happen in order for the draining to happen. There's a flap that covers the other side, and if the seal doesn't work then it doesn't generate the siphon. So what I figured and what I found is that, you know, it's a bit grotty maybe, but first of all I'm going to blow on this pipe. So blowing is basically pushing that seal closed, and then I'm going to suck on the pipe. Wasn't quite as successful as I had hoped. Previously, when I did this earlier in the cycle, it would result in a flush through, which would then mean the dishwasher was clear. I'm going to do a quick 30. Oh. The first step that means is that we'll empty out any water built in there. Now just empty the siphon. And now it's onto the wash cycle. So that was enough to clear a small blockage. Obviously you've seen my other videos too. If it gets worse or if it's got a bigger problem, you can resolve it. That's a first step you can try to dealing with the OE error on dishwasher.